my name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. Today, we are going to celebrate National Banana Bread Day. But of course, we're not just gonna make any regular banana bread. Last time we made cream cheese banana bread, and today we are going to make some double chocolate banana bread. That's right, 2 chocolates. There are chocolate chips and cocoa powder, which makes these muffins so yummy. I love them. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line your muffin tin with cupcake liners. So instead of using a loaf pan, which of course you can do, I like to make mine in muffins so I know that every single muffin is the exact same dosage. When you make a loaf of banana bread, sometimes your slices aren't always going to be the same size. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together your flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and set that aside. Then in a large bowl, combine your mashed bananas with the melted cannabis butter and regular butter and stir until it's combined. Then stir in your brown sugar, regular sugar, egg, and vanilla extract until it's smooth. Then gradually stir the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, being careful not to overmix because that will make your muffins tough and dry when they're done baking. Finally, stir in your chocolate chips. I like to divide my chocolate chips and put half a cup in the batter and then save the rest for sprinkling on top, but you could just throw them all in and mix them all in with the batter. Now spoon your mixture into the prepared muffin tin and bake for about 15 minutes. I would say bake until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean, except that if you stick your toothpick right into a chocolate chip, it will come out covered in chocolate. But you should be able to tell the difference between a melted chocolate chip and gooey batter. Now here is my finished super cute double chocolate banana muffin. I love having the chocolate chips on top because it just adds a little bit of texture and something special to a regular chocolate muffin. It smells just like rich chocolate. I love it. These are so rich and chocolatey. Oh, they're so good. And one of the things that I love about baking with bananas is that it keeps these muffins really moist. And if you don't love the flavor of bananas or banana bread, having the cocoa powder and the chocolate chips in here really just turns these into delicious chocolate muffins. I can barely taste that there's banana in here. And I definitely can't taste any cannabis in here, which is really dangerous because these chocolate muffins are so good that I am definitely gonna wanna eat more than one. So that's it for our double chocolate banana muffins. Happy Banana Bread Day, everyone. And I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this episode a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.